Okay. I do believe we are back. A dinosaur story. Let's make sure. Let's give it a quick little testy-roo. I need to get better at this process here. Looks like we're live. Alrighty, chat. Let me see. Let me try and get something a little bit more housey house here. Alright, mute myself here. Roll bounce. Roll bounce, roll bounce, roll bounce. Got the musics here. Place you up there. Place you right here. Oh my god, that is beyond terrible. Alright, this may not work. Alrighty, chat. Just looking at the open here, and we just took all of that. So once again, per usual, we're chilling. We are chilling. Nothing to do. Gonna wait for price to establish some type of flow here. Let's try to turn everything down here. Okay, so it was harder than I thought to share a simple link on Instagram. All right, I'm back. What we got here? What we got here? What we got here? We got. I ain't got too much. So I'm gonna zoom out on the hourly here, see what's going on. And to be honest with you, hourly seems like it wants to be bullish, so I'm gonna look for longs today, guys. Longs seem to be the correct play. Yeah, longs seem to be the correct move here. So I'm gonna drop this down to the 15. And it looks like we're about to establish an absolutely huge opening range. Yeah, it looks like we're about to just blast all the way off here. Yeah, the 20. The SMAs look pretty clear. Yeah, our 15-minute range is huge, boys and girls. So we're just gonna safely assume that this is going to be our range right here. And I'm going to try not to play around that. In the meantime, I shall coffee it up so I'm not bored. All right, 15-minute range has been established. And it's wide, boys and girls. It is wide. We got a bullish engulfing with a 5 though, but this golfing, it's massive. There's a little fair value gap right here. You probably could have played. Probably another decent ICT day. Probably another decent little ICT day. Yeah, all signs seem to suggest going higher. But I'm gonna wait for my model here. Gonna wait for my model. And if we get something, we can trade it. And if we can't, well, we can't trade it. But this looks pretty decent. But this stop is just way too wide. I mean, this is a pretty wide stop right here, guys. You would you need price to come all the way up here just for a 1 to 2. Would have tried to find a way to trim that down a little bit. But it looks good. I just don't like playing the first 15 minutes, that's all. All right. All right, got me a little caffeine to start my day. Holy moly. That's exactly what somebody wanted to see right there. Look at that. If you took this, you are up. I don't know anybody that would take this shit though. I mean, this could be your next bust right here. But once again, don't like how we just nipped the opening range right there. Yeah, it looked pretty good, guys. It looked pretty good. I just didn't feel comfortable entering right there. Stops were just way too wide. Way too wide. Excuse me. All right, so now that we've taken the high, let's see how we want to react right here. So I'm gonna keep my eyes on the 5 minute here. And see what price wants to do. I would imagine we keep going up from here. I don't exactly want to play anything right here. 1, 2. I'm gonna wait. I'm really gonna wait for my model here. As you can see, we are still in practice. Still in practice. I don't see any reason to put any risk on right now. Holy shit! Oh, right, news. But it's 950. Huh. Wow. Is price action finally back? Ooh, we getting some wiggles here, chat. We getting some wiggles. Yeah, a little wiggly. A little wiggly. A little wiggle wiggle. part of me just wants to go long here just because of the fair value gap in the moving average. But, you know, I'm not an ICT trader anymore. So we're going to wait for the SBS here. But I guess technically, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Technically, this could be your SBS right here. One, I guess 2. Here's your 3. And I'm pretty sure it's there on the 32nd. Actually, it's not. Yeah, I'm gonna demand a little bit more from price right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna demand a little bit more from price today. Yeah, I'm gonna sit on hands right here, guys. I'm just gonna demand a little bit more from price. It looks good for a long. If you were riskier in some type of, in a combine of some sorts, I would say that this looks pretty decent. But for me, I'm just here to practice a little bit of discipline. And yeah, we're gonna wait here. What the hell was that? Sorry for the typing. Yeah, boys and girls, we'll probably miss this one. It's close to 10 a.m. too. Alrighty, I'm back, and yep, that's kind of what I didn't want to see if I wanted to hop in. Yep, so this SBS is more or less complete here. So we'll just sit here and see if there's any more opportunity. But what I'm not going to do is I'm not going to get upset. I'm not going to get upset. Woe is me, price didn't give me an entry. I wanted to get in, blah, blah, blah. You can't do that. I've learned the hard way. If you try to start just forcing shit, forcing price action, it just never turns out good. So yeah, we're going to do our due diligence here, but we're not going to freak the fuck out. Because we didn't see what we wanted to see. It's not happening. Not on my watch. Not on my watch, you hear? Is that our 10? There's your 10 a.m. news. Here's your 10 a.m. news. We're breaking above orb high. And man, look at the 5 minute. 5 minute looks terrible. 5 minutes looks particularly bad. I still don't have anything to get in here, guys. Probably could have tried this right here. But yeah, we'll probably explode from here. Absolutely explode. Grow, expand, explode, grow. Expand, explode. Let's see what the team is up to right now. This could have been a decent play right here. Yeah, here on the 30-second. Logging this high up is kind of crazy though. Yeah, logging this high up, I don't know. I'm gonna let that go too. Looks pretty decent for a quick little pop though. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Yeah, I really think this orb is gonna hold. Just don't have any proof for it. I don't have any proof. Boom shakalaka. That's what we wanted to see. That's it right there. If orb high, close above orb high, any one of these pullbacks would have been valid. But it's okay because I'm kind of new to the orb thing. Wow, nobody took two. Yeah, I like to cheat a little bit. I like to see what other streamers are doing. Don't really react off of their trades anymore like I used to, but just to see how the community is doing. And this would have been a decent little play right here on the 30-second. Alrighty. The question is, do we buy this pullback? Don't want to. Don't want to. Not my market. Not my market. Not my market. Not my market. This shit looks silly. This shit look real silly. Not gonna lie. Yeah, guys, this is just simply not the market that I like to trade. So we're gonna be patient, build some discipline. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So one thing about SBS, your charts can be a little messy at times, but 2. 1, 2, or this could be 1, 2, 3. And let's go here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is done. And so let's see if we can get some type of 4 action here. Or it could model one us. That's the thing. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Just a guy waiting for my model. That's it. That's all. Just a guy waiting for a trade. I'm just a guy. Give me my Model 2, please. Give me my Model 2. One thing's for sure, I'm not getting in unless these 2 things get swept. So yeah. I'm just a guy waiting for a Model 2. I didn't want to get rid of the orb range though. Yeah, I didn't want to get rid of that. Yeah, I need some type of clarity here. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Let's see what we can get here. Alright, 1, 2. Coming down pretty hard. Alrighty. Here's a 4. Now I'm gonna need some confirmation. And we're coming down hard. Alright, blew past that. Let's see if this little bedrock here wants to hold. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Okay, alrighty, chat. That's why we don't just hop in. God damn it, Jim. That's why we don't just hop in. There must be something bigger on the higher time frame at play right here. We're back in the orb range, so I hope everybody stays safe from that. Trading against the SMAs is not a part of my plan today. But this could be I mean this is stretching it though. I don't know whether I should be moving with the market like so. But this is a pullback. This is a pullback. And we are coming up hot. That was a huge dip off, but 1, 2, 3. It's hard. I'm gonna play 1 minute structure here now. Play a little 1 minute structure. Gonna play a little 1 minute structure. See if this can be our 5. If we push up from here, I'll entertain longs. And if not, well, Bob isn't your uncle. Just doesn't look the cleanest though, not gonna lie. Yeah, not the cleanest thing in the world. It's my 30 seconds there. Yeah, everything looks fine. Alright guys.
Order filled.
Let me give that a shot. Stops at the low here. $200 risk. And we'll see if it works or not. If it doesn't, cool. If it does, cool. But I would imagine that price wants to dance around for a second. So let's give this a little bit of room. And let me give this a shot. We want to give this a shot, boys. We want to give this a shot. It does look pretty definitive going to the downside, though, but I want to keep playing the upside. That bullish, bearish engulfing on the 5 doesn't look the best. I'm always having analysis paralysis, guys. Always having analysis paralysis. Because this is legitimately a strategy that you could use to get in for a short right now. So if you're playing shorts, I kind of get it. So I'll play this one kind of tight. I spelled discretion wrong. Excuse me, guys. I'm sorry. I'm coughing in your ear. My bad. Fading the ICT boys today. That's for sure. All right, come on. Give me that green line. Give me the first. Give me TP1. You know. Give me TP1. Give me at least TP1. Yeah, guys, that 5 minute looks horrendous. I'm not gonna hold you. Not gonna hold you. Don't want this to turn into a loser when there's a good chance that it can. All right, we're starting to turn at this fair value gap here. Close above the 1 minute. I mean the whatchamacallit, the 20. See if we have a little bit of strength here. Put stops right there for $90. All right, power of the SBS. Give me TP1. Power of the SBSers. Can the SBS hold? I wish I was down here. I wish I was down here. I would have closed this. Yeah, if I was like, yeah, if I was down here, I would have closed. SBSers, come on. Come on. I wish I was in this move origin right here. Would have just closed. Give me one more pop to the upside if you can give it to me. Yeah, I'm thinking that, yeah, ICT's little 2022 model fails here. And almost, man. Just one more push up. There we go. 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 Guys, I'm gonna close that. Wait a minute. Hold up. Yeah, I'm gonna close that for 183. I'm taking that. There we go. Called if, live if, on the stream if. What the hell? Sorry guys, you know I gotta send the screenshots. Yeah, gotta send the screenshots when you win. You gotta send a little screenshot action, you know what I mean? Gotta send a little screenshot action, you know when My favorite part is I went against you niggas. Ha! Oh, I'm sorry. I probably shouldn't have cursed, but yeah. Yeah, watch that 2022 model get cooked, everybody. Watch that shit get cooked. Watch that 2022 model get absolutely spanked. There it goes. Who knew? Who knew you would have got cooked on the 2022 model? Wow. Who knew? Where's my original screenshot? Who the fuck knew? Who would have guessed? Who the fuck would have guessed that this would have failed? Oh, wow. Not gonna lie, I love fading the 2022 model. I'm sorry, guys. I'm over here coughing in y'all ear, and that's not fair. Let me mute myself for a second. Hey guys, I am still here, but I'm just letting this rock. I don't think we're getting a second trade here. I don't want to trade in this garbage. So yeah, let me put my executions up to see, tell people that I actually took the trade on demo. And yeah. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Saw the SBS, saw the move origin. Put a little bit of orb in there with the SMAs. Beautiful trade, man. I can't ask for anything more than that. And it was live on stream. I'm just very happy that everything was went well. So I'll do a little recap later. But let me price action rock for a second. I'll be back. What's up, guys? I am back. I'm just here on the socials, just chopping it up with other people. I don't think I'm gonna get anything else for today. I may pack this up in the next 20 minutes or so. So enjoy the tunes, I guess. Yep, that's right. Bust them out. Bust them out. I've come for all the smoke, guys. I'm sorry. I have seen this. I have seen this fail way too many times. Way too many times. Your 5 was right here, by the way, for a re-entry. Way too many times I've seen this fail. Goddamn con artist. That's all this was. Con artist, man. Your mentor is a con. Well, let me not say it. No, fuck it. I'll say this is my stream. Yo, your mentor ICT is a con artist, bro. I'm sorry. Cause why did this fail? But the algo, right? Why did it fail? Why did it fail? You can't tell me, can you? Yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry. My OP underscore shots. If you are still here, hi. Sorry, I was not paying attention to my live stream. But how's it going? Hope you're having a good day. I hope your trading is going well. Sorry for not picking up on your comment faster, dude. And or man. And there it is. So going back to my point of just sitting in this shit, you probably, if you were an ICT trader, you probably got in at this fair value gap, and you sat through this consolidation, taking all the heat. It gave you a little hope here, just for it to turn back on you. I just don't get it, man. I just don't get it. I just don't get it. Anyway, boys and girls, that's going to do it for me. The SBS has been completed. I've followed all my rules, disciplined, and yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your trading day. As one of my favorite streamers would say, don't be a degenerate like myself. If you're done for the day, be done for the day. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Oh, like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to you, boy. I try my best.